Welcome to Pennywise Perspectives. In the maze of financial advice, you've probably encountered a fair share of tips and wisdom from well-meaning, but perhaps misguided sources. While some advice is genuinely helpful, others may be wrapped in good intentions but lead you astray. Join us on a journey to unravel 15 common financial myths and misconceptions often perpetuated by those who mean well but may not be on the path to success themselves. 1. Be yourself, but grow yourself. While be yourself is undoubtedly good advice in many aspects of life, it takes a nuanced form in the financial world. Authenticity is vital, but so is adaptability. The key is to balance authenticity with growth. In finance, it's about becoming the best version of yourself by learning, evolving, and expanding your financial knowledge and skills. Embrace your unique qualities, but also recognize that personal growth and development are integral parts of your financial journey. 2. The role of hard work and more. The saying, "If you work hard, you can achieve anything," is a cornerstone of the American dream. Hard work indeed plays a vital role in success, but it's not the sole ingredient in the recipe for financial prosperity. Smart work, strategic planning, and seizing the right opportunities are equally crucial. It's not just about working tirelessly, but also about working wisely. Identifying the most effective path and making informed choices are vital in achieving your financial goals. 3. From resilience to prudent risk. The adage, "What doesn't kill you makes you stronger," is true for personal resilience. However, it doesn't translate directly to financial decisions. While learning from financial mistakes can build resilience, not all errors lead to strength. Some missteps can result in lasting financial setbacks. In your financial journey, it's essential to balance resilience with prudent risk management. Avoid unnecessary financial risks and prioritize preserving your financial well-being. 4. Balance fate with planning. The saying, "Everything happens for a reason," can be a comforting notion in life, but doesn't replace sound financial planning. Relying solely on fate in finance isn't a prudent strategy. While some financial setbacks may have silver linings, it's far more reliable to make informed decisions and engage in strategic financial planning. A proactive approach and informed choices will more likely steer you toward success. 5. From passive to proactive. Just wait and let love or wealth happen to you isn't the most effective financial strategy. Achieving financial success often involves taking proactive steps and calculated risks. Sitting idly, hoping for wealth to fall into your lap, rarely works. To accumulate wealth, it's crucial to be proactive in making financial decisions, identifying opportunities, and taking actions to capitalize on them. Real quick, fam, have you seen these awesome t-shirts? Make sure to check out my Etsy shop link down below in the description and rock these funny tees like a boss. Now let's get back to the video. 6. Passion balanced with practicality. While doing what you love is valuable, it's not always the most direct path to a profitable career. The key is to balance your passions with practicality to ensure financial stability. Some passions may align seamlessly with profitable careers, while others may require adaptation or compromise. In the financial world, it's about striking a balance between your aspirations and the practical realities of achieving financial success. 7. Patiently proactive. The saying, "Good things come to those who wait," is partially true, but it can be misleading in finance. Patience is indeed a virtue, but in financial matters, waiting should be complemented by action. Building wealth often requires strategic moves, investments, and a proactive approach, rather than passive waiting. A balance between patience and proactivity is vital in the financial world. 8. Timely problem solving. In finance, the idea that time heals all wounds doesn't always hold true. Ignoring financial problems and expecting them to heal over time can lead to compounded issues. Tackling financial challenges promptly and efficiently is crucial. Addressing financial issues in a timely manner can help prevent small problems from escalating into major financial setbacks. 9. Emotion and rationality in finance. Always follow your heart is a well-intentioned sentiment, but in finance, it's crucial to make decisions that are heart-informed, yet not entirely heart-driven. A balance between emotions and rationality often results in the best financial choices. While it's essential to consider your values and passions, financial decisions should also be grounded in a practical understanding of economic realities and risks. 10. Knowing when to pivot. While winners never quit and quitters never win is a valuable adage for perseverance, it's important to recognize when it's time to pivot or change course. Blindly pursuing a failing financial venture can lead to disaster. Persistence is valuable, but so is adaptability. In finance, success often involves recognizing when a change in strategy or direction is necessary and having the courage to make that change. 11. Money can't buy happiness. While it's true that money can't purchase happiness directly, it can significantly contribute to financial security and the ability to enjoy life. This saying might lead some to believe that financial success isn't necessary for happiness, but the reality is that financial stability often plays a crucial role in one's overall well-being. Financial security can alleviate the stress associated with bills, unexpected expenses, and future planning, ultimately creating an environment where individuals can focus on their well-being and happiness. It's about finding a balance between material comfort and the intangible joys of life. 12. Never mix business and pleasure. This advice suggests that personal and professional life should always be kept separate. However, building strong personal relationships can sometimes be beneficial for business. Smart networking and partnerships often require a degree of personal connection. It's important to understand that the saying implies avoiding emotional and irrational decision-making in business relationships. While maintaining professionalism is vital, fostering meaningful, genuine connections with colleagues or business partners can sometimes lead to more successful collaborations, increased trust, and a better understanding of each other's goals. 13. Don't talk about money. The idea that discussing money is impolite or taboo can hinder financial education and transparency. Open conversations about money can lead to better financial decisions and more informed choices. It's essential to strike a balance between privacy and constructive discussions about personal finance. Discussing financial matters, especially with family or trusted advisors, can provide insights, share valuable knowledge, and help individuals make well-informed financial decisions. Money talk doesn't need to be taboo. It can be a pathway to financial growth and prosperity. 14. It's all about who you know. This advice emphasizes the importance of networking and connections. While relationships can be valuable, success often depends more on what you know and how you apply that knowledge. Building meaningful relationships is undoubtedly important for personal and professional growth, but knowledge and competence also play a significant role. In a competitive world, it's often what you bring to the table, your skills, expertise, and ability to use your knowledge effectively, that truly determines your success. Relationships can open doors, but it's your abilities that keep those doors open. 15. Money is the root of all evil. This saying often implies that wealth leads to moral corruption. In reality, money is a tool. Its impact depends on how it's used. Many wealthy individuals use their resources for positive change and philanthropy. Money itself isn't inherently good or evil. It's a reflection of the values and intentions of the person who possesses it. Many wealthy individuals use their financial resources to make positive changes in the world, supporting charitable causes, funding research, and contributing to society. It's important to recognize that money's impact depends on the actions and choices of the individual. In the complex world of personal finance, these sayings often require nuanced interpretation. Balancing their wisdom with a practical and informed approach can help you make better financial decisions. Please comment down below any money-related topics you'd like for me to cover in a future video. If you loved today's valuable video, consider smashing that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to share it with a friend. Together, let's embrace abundance, develop financial intelligence, and make our dreams of financial freedom a reality. Fam, have you seen these awesome t-shirts? Make sure to check out my Etsy shop by using the link in the description below and rock these funny tees like a boss. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.